Hello everyone, this is Osama Shahzad from Pakistan, and this is the final project of CS50 web programming. So I have created this web application which is also used by my workplace, that is Higher Education Commission Pakistan. We run a couple of faculty training programs, and one of the biggest issues is to deliver the certificates in this COVID-19 situation since the program is online. And delivering the certificates via post all across the country creates a problem. It's too much money is being wasted on printing them, and then sometimes they end up getting lost by the post, as some of the people live in remote areas. So I have come up with this application where you can enter your ID, and we have stored a database of fellows who have graduated, and you can also download your certificate and request a transcript online. And you can also share this web app with your employers so that they can instantly verify your graduation status. So let's begin by first going to the admin page. This is where so admin account creation can only happen from the backend, since we don't want users to become admin to create an admin account. So I'm going to add a new fellow. So this is a unique 13 digit number, and program will just say April 2020 to May 2020. And this is a unique certificate ID. Each certificate is identified by a 5-letter alphanumeric ID, and there are two sorts of graduation categories: one who have completed successfully, and the other ones which we call synoptic, who did not clear the program in the first attempt. Now we save. So this is a single page application. The interface is being regulated by the JavaScript. And now I will go to the main website. Now I'll enter the same ID and it will verify. See, it extracts my name, my ID number, my graduation month, and my certificate ID from the database, which is the Postgres database. I can search again if I add the same ID, but let's just change it a little bit. Now it looks up again, and if the fellow doesn't exist, it gives you an error. You can also download the certificate. It automatically, so there's a blank certificate template, and using the Python libraries, if I click on download certificate, it creates a certificate for you by your name, and here you go. So that's being done on the backend side, where this is an image on which the name and the date and the certificate ID, which is here, is being printed. All right. So you can also request a transcript by sending an email. So I can just type my name. Organization is HEC. I work here as an education technology coordinator. Please send my transcript. Testing. Ignore. So I'm sending it to myself, and I'll send it to my work address. Okay. Now, sometimes it happens that due to server load, the email doesn't get sent, so it will notify you accordingly. Let's see if the email is successfully sent. And for that reason, the username and password for the email account that is being specifically created for this purpose, they have been stored in environment variables and not pushed to the GitHub. So it turns out the email has been successfully sent, and soon I'll get it on my address. Sometimes it takes some time. I don't want to open my inbox to show other emails, but hopefully it will reach very soon. So that's it, and now it reloads you back to the home page. So this is the idea of the whole app. Thank you so much. And it is also being pushed to Heroku for the development server. Right, let me see. Haven't been come yet, but it will come soon. Thank you.